You'll never pay too much at Ralph Shop Automotive. How tempting is the fuel efficiency of this beautiful-looking 2004 Jeep Liberty? A great gas saver with a surprising amount of room for its size. Save some money and still have room to haul your things. Here at Ralph Shop Automotive we do things a bit differently. WOULDN? It'd be nice to have a salesperson be more concerned about your needs instead of theirs? Come experience our salaried sales staff and be heard. We offer a 48-hour peace-of-mind return policy. All vehicles undergo an excellent reconditioning program that gets it right the first time. Most importantly, we shop our competition every day and offer our best price up front posted on the vehicle. We don't tag or add any surprise fees to the price like dealer handling or dealer prep. Here at Ralph Shop, what you see is what you get. It's easy. Ralph Shop Automotive. One price, one promise, one customer at a time. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.